So what an epic day yesterday was, and I told Shad this morning, I said, it was so good, let's see what you have planned for today. So, we're actually gonna head back up into the mountains, and there's some waterfalls up there. We'll tell you which waterfalls we're going to when we get there. I know there's two up there that we're kind of looking for, so we'll let you know which one we find when we get to it. So, yeah.
So I got an acai bowl. These things apparently are like all the rage here. This little health food place. So let's see what we get. I just ordered a bunch of stuff. She kept listing up ingredients, and I was like, okay, let's do this, and this. So we'll see what we get. They look like little eyeballs at me, but it's passion fruit. Passion fruit mixed with acai and there's bananas and Nutella. So we'll see how this goes. I'll let you know. The verdict is, it's actually pretty damn good. Yeah. The passion fruit kind of pops in your mouth. The acai is mixed. It's frozen, so it sits at the bottom. The Nutella and the bananas on the top. Delish. Shad got a breakfast burrito, so we'll see what that's like. And the verdict?
It's good. I might still be hungry afterwards.
Well, what do we say? Buen provecho. Yay! We were driving around downtown Mayaguez, and we found a little coffee place and thankfully a parking space. So we're gonna go explore downtown Mayaguez. Yeah. This is it. Cafe something, I don't know. So I don't think I've ever received coffee in a bag. There's two coffees in here.
Everything comes in a bag.
Everything comes in a bag, and we don't know the language to say no. I guess no bolsa would be the way to do it, right? No bolsa means bag. So.
Oh, look at it.
When we were standing in the line, the lady in front of us, she said, what did she say?
She like comes out of the pot.
Comes out of the pot. Bam! It's like, pow, or something like that.
Power bam or
So
something.
we're about to find out what this bam is.
Yeah.
I'll wait for Shad to open up his lid and then I'll get into mine, but we'll see. We shall see. But they're little, so they're obviously got some kick to them.
Oh, it's very good. One package.
One package of sugar. All right. We drive all the way up the mountains, these crazy roads, and we get to the top and it starts pouring down rain. So I guess we have about 2 hours worth of rain before it quits, but we got all the way up here, so we're gonna just kind of hang out and have a forced siesta in the car. We're both a little tired anyways. So yeah, I guess things work out. And then the rain kind of cleared, and once that happened, we kind of saw that there was a little restaurant down the hill, so we headed down here, and we're eating at this little place called Shaz, not Shads with a D, Shaz. And hopefully we're going to get some food in our stomachs and go jump off a waterfall if the weather cooperates. If not, we will definitely at least look at them. But it's raining and sunny at the same time. This is the little restaurant. Shaz. It looks like they used to have something down in there on that little patio down too, but I think it's under renovation. I wouldn't sit there right now. Besides, it's raining, so. I almost forgot to mention today's lunch. We are doing mofongo de pollo that looks like some peppers on it, and a little ensalada is what they call that, and quesadilla with mojitos and lemonade.
Yeah, I'll take another mojito. Can you take these to go?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I'll take another passion.
So yes, if you ever come to jump off the waterfalls, you have to come to the little bar / grill called Shays. I don't know. I'll show you the
Shaz.
Shaz. S-H-A. Is it S-H-A?
apostrophe S. The mofongo is probably the best that I've had thus far. Yeah, it's really popular, really cute, and now we're gonna go jump off waterfalls. So, what more could one ask? I mean, really.
Oh, jeez! I'm not jumping off of that thing. Now this is the river, right? Wow. Or is this the path to the river that he was talking about? I don't know. That is amazing. Ah, fresh streams just running. When I tell you it was a downpour, it was a downpour. Oh man, the path is flooded out.
Force of this is amazing.
It's like a train.
You guys getting in?
What's that?
You guys getting in?
We're probably not. I mean, looks like a train down there, you know. Woo! Look at that! Look at that! Your back looks great, baby. Woo! I absolutely. Come here. So there's the other one. Let's go to see if we can do that one. They said this one was flooded.
Okay.
Yeah, that would take an absolute idiot to do that.
Oh, that's suicide.
That's an absolute idiot right there. Which stinks because that's the one that I wanted to do. Wow. Okay, let's go up the other path now. Hey, Shad, is it this one or? There's a stairway down.
I think you gotta keep walking.
We'll do this first and then. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's the other waterfall. Let's go down.
That's a gusher.
This is.
Oh, wow, look at those. That's I forgot the name of them right now. Wow, they're just growing wild. Mom knows the name of them.
Oh man.
Okay.
This is right here, not even an hour ago.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
You totally missed it.
Yeah.
Oh,
Like an hour ago.
And that's where people jump off at?
Yeah, right in the middle.
Oh, wow.
Did you all do it?
I didn't.
No. Did you?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's pretty deep there?
Oh yeah, it's really, really deep. But you gotta jump out really far to the rocks.
Oh, so there are rocks there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Well, they're not. So you can see when you do it, the rocks kind of slope out, but it's really, really deep.
Okay.
Like in the wall. Wait,
With all
if
that
you
force, you can imagine it's gotta push everything,
Yeah.
like dig a hole.
Oh yeah. That's insane.
Yeah.
The absolute difference
Yeah.
from an hour ago
And
is just insane.
I bet it was probably more intense, like even an hour ago. Half hour ago.
That's
It
incredible.
was so fun, yeah.
I'm kind of curious how long it's gonna stay like this.
Hola. Hi. How's it going? Woo! He ran all the way up. I'm walking. And one of the locals told us this structure in front of us here was a hotel that they were building. I mean, this place was packed when we pulled up, so I can only imagine that a hotel would have done good, but yeah.